Factoring is one of the most important concepts in algebra, and it extends even into arithmetic. We can say what the factors are of a number, and there's no variables in here, there's no algebra involved. I just want to make a factor tree. So you might have learned this, I don't even know what grade it's in, but you might have learned how to take a number and factor it using a factor tree. In other words, what sorts of things can I divide this into? Well, 8 divides into 4 and 2, right? Multiply those together, you're back at 8. And 4 divides into 2 and 2. And each of these 2's, I suppose you could write it this way, goes into 2 and 1. And there's no sense building the factor tree with 1's in it because you could just go on forever with this. So what I want to know is, what are all the positive factors of 8? In other words, what types of numbers factor into 8? Well, let's go circle the unique ones. Obviously 1. 1 is always a factor of something. And then you've got 2. I'm not going to circle all the other 2's because 1 is enough. I've got 4. What else is a factor of 8? Well, 8 itself. If you divide 8 by 8, you get a nice whole number. So here's what makes these all factors. The original number 8 divided by anything that I just circled in green gives you another whole number. Okay, and that's what it means to be a factor, something that divides nicely. Okay, so here we go.